Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can control and customize the chat window that your customers will interact with. To configure the chat window settings, you have to go to the website Chatbot. I am selecting this chatbot for now. Then you have to go to the website Chatbot settings section. Here we have the different subsections. If you want to know about any of these sections in details, then the video for the same will be given in the description box below. To customize the chat window, we will click on the chat window section here. By enabling this button, you are allowing your website visitors to transfer their chat to WhatsApp. The chat will be transferred to the WhatsApp number of the respective agent that they are connected to. Also, the live chat feature must be enabled for this feature to work. By enabling this button, you can allow your visitors to refresh the chat. That means the visitors can see that button of the refresh chat, and when they click on it, the chat will be restarted. By enabling this button, you can hide the transfer to WhatsApp button from the website visitors. By enabling this button, you can allow your visitors to transfer the chat to bot anytime between the conversation with the live chat agent. By enabling this button, you can allow the visitors to request for live chat whenever they want to. By enabling this button, users can rate the chat. From here, you can change the display name for transferring your chat to WhatsApp or any of these options that we have discussed before. Let me firstly show you the by default display names for all of these options by clicking on the test button. By clicking on the three dots, you can see the by default display names for the transferring to WhatsApp chat or the start live chat and refresh chat option. Now we will edit the display name for all of these buttons. For the demo purpose, I am entering this display name for transferring a chat to WhatsApp. Similarly, you can type the display name for transferring to live agent. From here, you can select the display name for transferring a chat to bot. Here, you can select the indicative text for the customer's reply. This text is displayed in the empty reply section. From here, you can select the display name for restarting chatbot conversation. I am just simply writing restart here. Also, you can select the live chat message primary color from all of these color options, and you can also use the color palette to select any of the color according to your choice. You can select the live chat message secondary color from these options. Also, you can change the live chat message unavailable color. This will change the color of the text when the user initiates a live chat, but any of the agent is not available for the live chat. To save all these changes, we will click on the Save Changes button. As you can see, the changes have been saved successfully. Now we will test it on the website. Now when I click on these three dots, you can see all the display names have been changed according to what I entered there. Also, when I initiate a live chat and when the live chat will be started, so the message primary color and the secondary color will be changed according to what we have selected there. Also, the live chat message unavailable color will be changed. When I close the chat, it also asks me to rate the conversation because we have enabled this feature. So we can rate the conversation from here. So this is how you can customize your chat window. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.